So David, welcome here at Digityser.
Glad to be here.
I'm so pleased that you've been nominated for the AI Awards. Tell me about Brainjar.
Yeah. So Brainjar is what we like to call a machine learning as a service company. So that basically means that we want to use machine learning, AI technology and general technology, and use that to build applications for other companies.
And who are those companies? Who are these stakeholders?
Well, it's quite varied, actually. So we've built a painting supercomputer for K11, all the way from building document management systems for rental companies as well. So our companies, the companies that we work for, are quite varied.
And is that a unique offering?
I would like to say so, of course. There are a lot of AI companies out there, we are aware of that, but what we try to differentiate ourselves is that we tend to focus on the application part of our AI applications. So we think about user interfaces, we think about deployment and stuff like that.
Oh, interesting. And what's the technology stack behind it?
Well, we are very much fan of open source technology, of course. We like to say that we are technology independent, so that we use whatever is best for our projects. But of course, open source has a lot of major advantages over proprietary software.
Interesting. What is your role within the organization?
So it's sometimes hard to define. It's a startup, of course, but I like to call myself a sales manager, which basically means that I go to a company, listen to what their business needs are, and translate that into a technical solution.
Right. Were you one of the founders?
Yes, one of 3 co-founders currently.
And your co-founders and yourself, what are the challenges that they are faced upon?
Ooh, it's well, one of the first challenges will probably be to find new projects, constantly defining new technologies, keeping on track with the latest developments in artificial intelligence technology. And yeah, one of the major business challenges that we have right now is just finding the right people.
Yeah. When were you created?
We officially started about 6 months ago, I guess, at the start of this year, but we've been working on the concept of Brainjar for about 1.5 years now.
So you've been working like madman, day and night, you know, keeping your head on Brainjar all the time. But you know, why do you do that? What makes you tick?
Well, for me, it is a passion for world-changing technologies. So you say I've been focusing all my attention on Brainjar. I actually have a second startup as well in quantum computing. So really, every possible technology that has the potential to change the world is immediately attractive to me.
Okay, but let's stick to Brainjar.
Yes.
and tell us about Brainjar in the future. How do you see the company?
Well, right now we are really focusing on the service aspect of our company. So we build custom-built applications for each new project that we build. But we are seeing a lot of common themes in our projects. For one instance, it's document management, which is something that every single company struggles with. And then we hope to eventually transform our expertise in these kinds of systems into a fully fledged product.
Right. And now the trick question. Are you ready?
Completely ready.
Tell us how happy you are.
How happy I am? Oh, I'm always happy when I can talk about AI technology, of course, but that's maybe a cheesy answer.
That's excellent. Thank you very much, David.
Thank you.